Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. It is lecture number 27 of Basic Statistics course. In the last lecture, we have started a topic of regression and correlation, and today it is second lecture on the same topic. And today, in that lecture, you will know who introduced the term regression in 1877, who gave the idea of correlation coefficient, who developed the method of rank correlation, what is the range of the correlation coefficient, is correlation coefficient independent of origin or scale, if we add or subtract a constant value from all the values of x and y, is it affected or not? If you have a graph, which graphical method is used to assess the correlation between two variables? There is one measure on which correlation coefficient is based on. What is the name of that measure? And a very important concept of correlation coefficient, what is the relationship between correlation coefficient and regression coefficients, and what is the name of that property which connects correlation coefficient and regression coefficients. Dear students, before starting today's vital and important lecture for you, I request everyone subscribe to my channel, like and share my channel, and click the bell icon for the notifications of the next important videos. Let's start. Question number 1 is, the term regression was first introduced in the year 1877 by A. R. A. Fisher, B. Sir Francis Galton, C. Carl Pearson, D. None of these. Dear students, the term regression in 1877 was introduced by Sir Francis Galton. It means B is the correct option. Question number 2, the idea of product movement correlation coefficient was given by A. R. A. Fisher, B. Sir Francis Galton, C. Carl Pearson, D. Spearman. C is the correct option, Carl Pearson. Question number 3, rank correlation method was developed by A. Carl Pearson, B. R. A. Fisher, C. Spearman, D. None of these. Spearman is the correct option. Question number 4, the limit of the correlation coefficient is, the value of the correlation coefficient always lies between -1 and +1, and both are inclusive. A very important multiple choice question. Question number 5, in correlation problem, in all the questions of correlation, both variables x and y are A. equal, B. unknown, C. fixed, D. random. Dear students, in correlation, x and y both variables are always random. D is the correct option in the exam. Question number 6, the correlation coefficient between x and -x is a very important concept. If you have values of x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you multiply every value with minus sign, that will be -x, means -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Now you find out the correlation between x and -x, and the option will be, A option is 0, B is 0.5, C is 1, D is -1. -1 is the correct option in the exam. A very important question. Question number 7, the correlation coefficient is based upon another measure. What is it? I discussed in the introduction. A. variance, B. contingency coefficient, C. covariance, D. none of these. C is the correct option. Dear students, correlation is based on the measure of covariance. What is the formula of correlation? Covariance of xy over variance of x, variance of y under the root. It is based on covariance. A very important question. Question number 8, correlation is often assessed by eye. If you have a graph and you can assess with the eye the correlation, is there correlation between x and y or not? The plot, the type of plot which is used For this purpose, A. histogram, B. bar chart, C. box plot, D. scatter plot. Scatter plot is the correct option. With the help of the scatter plot, that is the graphical method which is used to assess the correlation between two variables. A very important question. Question number 9. The relation R is equal to byx multiply bxy under the root. It is known as a mean property of the regression coefficient. No, mean property is this much. R is equal to byx plus bxy over 2. B. Fundamental property of regression coefficients. C. Signature property of R. D. None of these. Dear students, that is fundamental property of the regression coefficients. Please keep in mind, a very important one. We can also say that R is the geometric mean of two regression coefficients. That is also true, but now geometric mean is not option, that is given. That is called fundamental property of the regression coefficients. Question number 10. Correlation coefficient is independent of A. origin, B. scale, C. origin and scale, D. none of these. Dear students, in the last lecture we have discussed regression coefficient, which is B or D, byx or bxy. It is independent of origin. When we add or subtract a constant value, that constant can be 40, 50, 60, 100, 200, 500, from every value of x and y, regression coefficient is unchanged, that remains unchanged. But in correlation coefficient, if we talk about the correlation coefficient, it is independent of origin and scale, that is not affected by plus, minus, multiply and divide. Please keep in mind, a very important question. It means C is the correct option. Question number 11. The correlation between the circumference and diameter of a circle. That is a circle. It is the circumference of the circle. What is the formula? It is equal to pi d, and that is the diameter, 2 times radius. And the question is, correlation between the circumference of a circle and the diameter of a circle is A plus 1, B minus 1, C 0, D nonsense. Dear students, the correlation between the circumference of a circle and diameter of a circle is perfect positive correlation. Plus 1 is the correct option. Please keep in mind, A is the correct option. Question number 12. The correlation between the side and area of a square is. What is the formula of the area of a square? Side multiplied by side, length multiplied by length. Area is equal to x square. That will be the quadratic case. A positive correlation, B negative correlation, C nonsense correlation, D no correlation. There is no correlation between the side of a square and area of a square. D is the correct option. Question number 13, a very important multiple choice question. If coefficient of correlation between two variables is minus 0.6, that is question number 13, minus 0.6, that is correlation coefficient, then coefficient of alienation is, we know coefficient of alienation is under root 1 minus r square. Just substitute the values. 1 minus r is minus 0.6 square, that will be 1 minus 0.36, 0.64 under the root, and 0.8 will be the correct option in the exam. Please keep in mind, the formula of coefficient of alienation is 1 minus r square under the root. Question number 14. Determine the correlation coefficient of the random variables x and y if. Question number 14. Variance of x is given, that is 4. Variance of y is given, that is 9. Variance of 2x plus y is equal to 25. These three informations are given, and we are to calculate our correlation coefficient. Just I will take the support of this much. Variance of 2x plus y. Actually, dear students, the formula is variance of ax plus by is the square of constant variance of x. You will have to learn this concept, plus constant of b, square of b, variance of y, plus 2ab, covariance of xy. That is the formula, that is the concept of covariance. Variance of ax plus by means a square variance of x plus b square variance of y plus 2ab covariance of xy. I will apply on this much. Square of 2 is 4, variance of x plus 1 square is 1, variance of y plus 2 2s are 4, covariance of xy. Just substitute the values. The value of this much is given 25. 25 is equal to 4 into 4 plus variance of y is 9 plus 4 covariance of xy, that is not given. (25) is equal to 4 4s are 16 plus 9 plus 4 covariance of xy. 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 minus 25 is 0. And 0 divided by 4 means 0. When the covariance is 0, we know the formula of R. Covariance of xy over under the root variance of x, variance of y. Dear students, when covariance is 0, 0 over something is 0, it means correlation is 0. 0 will be the correct option in the exam. Question number 15. If variance of x plus y, variance of x plus y is equal to variance of x plus variance of y, then the value of the correlation, dear students, I have taught you the formula of variance of x plus y. If covariance is not 0, then the formula will be plus 2 covariance of xy. Covariance is not given, it means x and y are independent. Covariance is 0. When covariance is 0, R will also be equal to 0. Option number A is 0. That will be the correct option in the exam. Question number 16. Rxy is equal to 0.4, then R2x in comma 2y is. Dear students, we have learned regression coefficient is independent of origin and correlation coefficient is independent of origin as well as scale. Plus minus multiply divide will not affect the correlation coefficient. 2x means multiply by 2 every value of x, 2y means multiply by 2 with every value of y, and 0.4 will not be changed. A very conceptual question. If you multiply every value of x and every value of y with 2, R will not be changed. 0.4 will be the correct option in the exam.